Everyone, so today we're going to be solving LeetCode 1358, number of some substrings containing all three characters. So given a string consisting of only A, B, and C, we want to return the number of substrings containing at least one occurrence of all these characters A, B, and C. So what we think when we see this problem is that we should use a sliding window because we need to return the amount of substrings. So just from every index, how much substrings can we have that will contain all occurrences of A, B, and C. So let's just go through this example right here. So we have A, B, and C, right? And we're gonna want to have a left pointer and a right pointer. So this is gonna be our window right here, and then we're gonna want to have, we should have something that can track the occurrences of A, B, and C. So to do this, we can use a hash map or an array, but today let's just use a hash map for simplicity. So we're gonna have a default dictionary, and it's gonna get initialized to an integer. So here, right, we're gonna have, let's just name this as count, and when we're going through the array, we're gonna check if we're gonna add the character to the dictionary. So let's say we're just looping here right now, and left and right are both at A, right? So the right pointer is at A. So we're gonna add this to the dictionary. So it's gonna be 1, and then right gonna be here. So B is gonna be 1, right's here, it's gonna be 1. Right, now we have A, B, and C. So now we can check how much characters are in our dictionary. So we check the length of count, and if it's 3, that means we have all A, B, and C, right? So but now we need to add the number of substrings that are still included. So to do this, we can have the length of the substring minus the right pointer here. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus right would be 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and then we're gonna add 4 into our result. So then after this, right, we're gonna have all the substrings, number of substrings ending at this index A. So now we're gonna have to increment left 1, and then we're gonna repeat the same process. And then we also have to account for decrementing the left pointers from the dictionary. So here we incremented left. So we're gonna remove A, decrement A, and then if the dictionary count at the left index is 0, we're gonna want to remove A from the dictionary like this, so the count updates, and then we're gonna have to increment left after, and then keep repeating the process. So here left and right are both at C. We're here, right? And then we're checking the length of this. So we do not have A, B, and C, so we're gonna keep going. No, actually we do, because I forgot to update A, B, and C. They're all at 2. And yeah, so it's gonna keep going and incrementing, and then it's gonna keep repeating the same process. So let's go over the code first, and then we can go over the walkthrough again. So we're gonna have a result. We're gonna have a left pointer at the beginning, and then we're gonna have a right pointer to go through the string. And then every time we're gonna wanna add the strings right pointer to the value into the dictionary. We're gonna increment it, and then if that count if the length of the dictionary is 3, that means we have all 3 letters And then we're gonna want to check the left pointer. If it's 0, we're gonna want to pop from the dictionary. Let's see. Okay. If the length of count is 3, we're gonna add the length of the string minus the right pointer. And then after that, if the count of left is 0, we're gonna decrement the count from the left value from the array. Okay, this is out here, decrementing the left pointer, because we're gonna increment the left pointer. And then if the count of the left is 0, we're gonna remove it. And then here we're gonna want to return result. Just checking. Let's see. So count.pop s of l. Let's just, we don't need these brackets here. Minus equals 1 plus equals. Put this in parentheses. For r in range length of s, count of s of r plus equals 1 while length. Alright, we need to have this as a while loop. And then this should be good. Yep, so we need it to be a while loop, because if it's a if loop, we're not gonna add all the substrings to our result. So the time complexity of this will be O of n, because we're just iterating through the array. Through the string. And then let's finish our walkthrough. So we have A, B, and C, and then the dictionary count after left and right. We're gonna have, okay, first we're gonna have left and right at index 0, right? So right is gonna be going through the array, adding to the dictionary count. So it's gonna be A, B, and C. So right. Alright, let's say it goes 3 times already, and now it's at C. So we're gonna have 1 of each. Now the length of the count hash map is 3, so we're gonna add the result. We're gonna add the length of the string minus the right pointer, so it's gonna be 6 minus 3, and then we're gonna add that to the result. So result equals 3, and then we're gonna decrement the left count here, and then it's gonna be 0, right? So we're gonna pop it from the hash map, and then left increments. So now we're gonna keep going. So the length of our hash map is not 3, so we're gonna increment. So increment right. So A is now 1. All right, the length of our hash map is now 3, so we're gonna add the length of the string, 6 minus 4. So now it's gonna be plus equals 2. So this is gonna be 5. Then we're gonna decrement the left from the hash map, and it's 0, so we're gonna pop, and then we're gonna increment here. And now we're gonna add we're gonna add the right pointer to the hash map, and it's gonna be A1, B1, C1, and then the length is 3 again, so we're gonna add 6 minus 2, so it's gonna be 7, and it's gonna keep going until we have a result. It's gonna be 10, and that's gonna be it for today.